for me. Say ferry on the way. You wait to see the look on your face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are working on a client. Let's go ahead and get right into it. She did go ahead and already wash her hands, so I went ahead and sprayed some alcohol, and now I am just pushing back her cuticles. I do apologize about the shakiness of the video. When I was recording, my stand just was not secured enough, so again I do apologize about that, so please bear with me. After pushing back her cuticles, I went ahead and clipped part of the free edge of the nail. She did not want all of her nails to be clipped, so I went ahead and just clipped some of it. Now I'm taking the sanding band to gently roughen the surface and just remove the shine off the nail, so that way the acrylic can adhere better to the nail. Now I am taking this cuticle bit to gently remove any dead skin around the cuticle area, and just so that the nail plate or the nail surface is smooth, so that way again the acrylic can adhere better to the nail and to prevent lifting. Now, instead of using cuticle nippers to go ahead and cut off the excess cuticle, I am just going to buff it away with this cuticle ball bit. I find that this is a more gentle route than using cuticle nippers, especially on a client like this where you don't really see that she needs the cuticle nippers. So that's why I use this cuticle ball bit. After fully prepping the nail, I am now gluing on the nail tips onto her natural nail, making sure that it's not too high and it's not too low. Using nail scissors, I am going to go ahead and cut off the excess nail. She was going for a more short to medium length. Nothing too long, but not too short either. And I do find that using these scissors, I get a more precise cut than using the tip cutter with the magnetic measurements. And now I am just filing it away. With these types of tips, these are already pre-shaped, so you don't really have to file too much. If you cut it at a diagonal, then you are needing to go ahead and file, but I did not have to file too much. Now I am just blending where the tip and the natural nail meets, and then I am roughening up the surface of the nail tip, removing that shine, of course, for better acrylic application and adhesion. If you are a long-time subscriber, you guys know that I absolutely love this nail primer. You can get this at your local nail supply store, or you can find it on Amazon. All of the products that I use will be linked to my Amazon storefront, and that will be in the description box down below. So I went and applied 2 coats of the primer, of course let them dry, and now I am doing the application. Now with this first bead, it was really wet, and I did not mean for it to be this wet, but I do rather like to have a wetter bead than a drier bead, because I just feel like with a more wetter bead, the application is better, and then you have more time to work with the acrylic, in my opinion. So, but not all of the nails were as wet as this bead. So not all of the other beads were as wet as this bead. So it was just that first bead that really like got me, but it did get better, trust me. So these are what the nails are looking like after application, and now I am going to take my e-file and seal the cuticles, debulk, and then buff the nails. So after filing, I am just cleansing the nails with some alcohol and this brush, getting rid of all the dust and debris, and just making sure that we have a nice clean slate for our design. I will be applying 2 coats of this black nail polish. Again, all of the products that I use will be linked on my Amazon storefront, and that will be in the description box down below. So I'm applying 2 coats of this black nail polish on 2 nails on each hand, and then the remaining 3 will be black Frenchies. Now this is my very first time using an airbrush machine, so I'm taking just 1 drop of this pink nail polish, and using this measuring bulb, I'm taking some acetone and pouring that in there and mixing. And then I'm sorry that the cover of that, or the top part where the polish and the acetone goes in, was blocking it. But I wanted to create some aura nails, and so for my first time I thought I did a pretty good job. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yes, I am doing aura nails on the 2 nails that I polished black, and then of course the rest of them are going to be Frenchies. Now, the French nails were looking a little too plain, so we decided to go ahead and apply some crosses on those. And then using the Macart rhinestone glue, we are going to apply that right in the middle of the smile line of the French nails. Now we are top coating all of the nails, and for the nails with the cross charms on them, I don't go over them. I feel like if I do go over it with the clear top coat, it's not going to be as detailed. I do take a small nail art brush and I just go in between there just to make sure that there's more security for the charms. And these are what the nails are looking like, you guys. Let me know what you guys think for my first time doing aura nails and using an airbrush machine. I think I did pretty good. She absolutely loved her nails. Again, like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 3K subs, so make sure you guys are subscribing. And always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye, guys.